Hey guys, Shani here for yet another 40 over 40. Now today we're going to be focusing primarily on the lower half of our bodies, a lot of leg, but you're still going to be getting a full body with me. All I'm going to be using today, dumbbells. Make sure you have your water, make sure you have your towel, and we're in it together. So you're going to start by rolling your shoulders out. You know me. I like to make sure all my joints are mobile. Roll the shoulders forward. Psych up yourself. It's going to be a fun ride today. Big breath in. Swan dive down, flat back, reaching all the way down. Breathe into your hamstrings and roll up. Again, big breath in, hands up. Oh, flat back, all the way down. Breathe into those hamstrings and roll up. You're going to roll your ankles out, big circles. We're rolling outward. Now you're going to do big circles rolling in. Now remember, everything you're doing with me, make sure you keep your core tight. Core work is not about doing sit-ups and crunches and leg raises. No, it's about abdominal engagement. So even when you're standing and doing all of the exercises, pull belly button to spine at all times. Butt kicks. Oh yeah. Belly button in, pull that knee inward. Find a focal point, that's where your balance is. And other side. Pull it in. Good. Open your knees nice and wide. Oh yes, I can feel that stretch. Now parallel feet. Breathe into the back of the legs. Reach all the way down. Just grabbing the back of the ankles and forward fold. And roll up. So, you know I like to warm up 3 exercises repeated 3 times, a 3x3. So my first exercise for you, we're going to do a power knee drive. Now, yes, our bodies aren't fully warm, so I don't expect deep lunges. But you're going to bend the back knee and we're just going to lift, take it back down. Your focus here, keeping your knee over your ankle, tailbone under, tummy tight. We're going for 15. So take it down into your lunge, core tight. Here we go. And 1, pull back. 2, 3. You can keep your forward foot flat. 4, or you can give me a little hop. 5, 6, entirely up to you. 7, 8, 9, breathe. 10, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step together. You have 2 legs. Other leg back. Chest up, tailbone neutral. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh yes. 1. Oh yeah, what a way to start. I'm so feeling it. Control the breathing. It's amazing how that one move get your heart rate up. Now we're going to take it, exercise 2, into a triple squat, into a curtsy. We're using these moves to warm up the body, so don't go too deep in it. Drive your butt back. 1, 2, 3. Curtsy. We're taking it 8 rounds on one side, 8 rounds on the other side. Belly button pulled in. Drive your butt back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Into your curtsy. 2, 2, 3. Curtsy. 3, 2, 3. Curtsy. 4, 2, 3. 5. Always drive your butt back. 6. Remember, we bounce 3 times. 7. Bounce 3 times. Feel the burn. 8. That's it for that side. We got the other one to do. Oh yeah, what a way to start. And 1, 2, 3, curtsy. 2, 2, 3, curtsy. 3, drive your butt back. 4. This is the warm-up, Shani. 5. And my thighs burning already. 6. Dog name will suffer. 7. Come on. 8. We gotta put the work in. 9. If you expect to get results. Oh, not 9. That was extra. Is 8. I need to focus. Tummy nice and tight. So open the legs. We're going to be doing a rotation and reach laterally. So you're going to feel a really good stretch in the hamstring, but we're going to wake up the midsection. Yeah? So we're going to do 15 per side. Oh yeah, trust me. You'll feel this. Hands up, tummy tight. Soft knees, tuck your tailbone under. So when we twist here, try and stabilize your hips. All right? Hands up. Here we go. And let's take it that way first. 1, reach down. 2, reach down. 3, focus on that stretch. 4, 5, belly button pull to spine. 6, come on. 7, 8, 9, you can smile with me now. 10, we're just starting. 5 more on this side. 4 more, never lock out your knees. 3, hinge. 2, my legs look straight. 1, but my knees are soft. Don't lock out your knees, okay? Other side. So we're going to twist this way, reach that way. Belly button pulled in, tailbone under, stabilize your hips. And 1, reach. 2, reach. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, stabilize the hips. 7, 8. Oh yeah. 9, 10. Quick twist. 5 more. 4 more. Ring out the waist. 2, 1. Oh yes. How did those feel? So that's your first 3 exercises. We have 2 more rounds of that. Are you with me? All right, I'll allow you to wet your throat. Quick wet, the time hot. So we're starting with a power knee drive, followed by triple squat into the curtsy, rotation into a forward fold. Here we go. Tailbone under, tummy tight. Now remember, you can add the jump, it's optional. And 1, 2, 3, I'm in it to win it. 4, 5, so I'm giving that top. 6, come on. 7, little explosion. 8, little plyo. 9, 10, 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Step back, bend the knee, hips square, tailbone down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, stick with me. 6, balance. 7, 8, tummy tight. 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why the hell am I breathing like that? Ooh, sweet Jesus. No rest in between. Come on. We're going to take it down into those triple squats. 1, 2, 3. Add a little hop. 2, 2, 3. Because I can. 3, 2, 3. My body's warmer. 4, 2, 3. 5. We can push it. 6. Come on. 7. You don't have to hop. And last one, 8. Let me stay focused before I give you 9 on the other side again. Control the breathing. Here we go. Tummy nice and tight. Push your butt back. Triple squat. 3 of them. Down, 2, 3. Over. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 5. Push it. 6. Or don't push it. 7. Listen to your body. Last one. See? I stayed focused for you. Oh yes. Sweet Lord. Come first. Open your legs, tummy tight, knees soft. Stabilize your hips. Just tuck your tailbone under. Hands up. Remember, if it doesn't challenge you, it will never change you. So I'm here to challenge. Let's rotate that way and reach down that way. 15 times. Here we go. 1. Reach. 2. Feel that stretch. 3. Especially in that left leg. 4. 5. Feels like a deadlift. 6. 7. 8. 9. Come on. 10. Reach. 5 more. Wring out that waist. 4 more. Like a towel filled with water. 3. Yeah, man. Wring out the fat. 2. Wring out the love handles. 1. Yeah, let's snatch that waist. I can do with a smaller waist. Just taking right here. I'm not the shapeless of people. But if my waist went in just a little bit more, you couldn't chat to me. Ready? So that's what I'm working for, that snatched waist. Belly button pulled in, tailbone under, knee soft. So we're going to twist this way and reach that. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Work for your water break. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more to go, guys. 5. Your water break is coming now. 4. Come on. 3, 2. Stabilize those hips. 1. Oh yeah. We deserve the water break. Grab a towel. I tell you, if it doesn't challenge you, it will never change you. We'll have to dig deep sometimes. Come out of your comfort zone. Nothing came from a comfort zone. And just because things change as we loom the 40s, then the 50s, then the 60s, then the 70s, doesn't mean we have to give up and let go. No, we still need to push. We still need to do everything our bodies need. And it's not doom and gloom, guys. Yeah, it's challenging. Some things not that pretty. But believe me, there is beauty in getting older. It is a blessing to get older because not everybody does it. Some people, unfortunately, check out way too young. So always remember that. It's a blessing. So we have one more round to go. All right? We can do this. Tummy nice and tight. Power knee drive. Tailbone under. Take it low. And 1, 2. Come on. 3. How high can you go? 4. Leave the floor. 5, 6, 7. Push yourself. 8. And if you can't leave the floor, 9. That's fine. 10. 5 more, but I can. 4. So I'm going to push myself. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, the burn is real. Other side. Take it down. And 1. Now remember, opposite hand to opposite leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your chest up. 7. Don't look down. 8. Look forward. 9, 10. 5 more. 4, 3, 2. Why am I moving away from you? 1. Sweet Lord, come take the wheel. Triple squats into the curtsy. And 3, 2, 1. Number 2. Number 3. 4. Are you leaving the floor for me? 5. How high can we push it? 6. Come on. 7. And last one, 8. We push our bodies because we can, guys. Other side. Rest is coming. Work for the rest. Squat down. 3, 2, 1. This is number 2. Number 3. I'm in it with you. 4, 5. Explode. 6. Come on. See that one? 7, 8. I didn't forget. Y'all thought I was going to say 9, don't. All right, I was. Lord, don't call me out on it. But I caught myself. Heart rate is in my throat. Control your breathing, because I've said to you before, your breathing is directly connected to your heart rate. When we can slow our breathing, the heart rate will follow. In. 1 more. All right, here we go. Hands up. We're going to twist that way. We're going to reach that way. Belly button to spine, knees soft. And 1. Reach. 2. Feel the stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Straight into the other side. Adjust, tummy tight, twist that way, reach that way. And 1, push. 2, really reach. 3, this is the last one. 4, bring out that abdominal fat. 5, 6, all those love handles. 7, muffin top. 8, be gone. 9, 10, 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And oh yeah, you deserve your water break. Slow the breathing. Now I'll try to drink quiet for you, since I know the mic is right by my throat. Now, a frequently asked question, especially as it relates to perimenopause and menopause, But it's not just for the people over 40. It really is for anybody. It's what's the best way to reduce belly fat? A lot of people think increase your cardio or, bless me, increase your cardio or abdominal exercises. It's actually not. It's working your largest muscle groups. Strength training of glutes, hamstrings, quads, strength training of your pectoral muscles, shoulder muscle. Burning those muscles, it actually takes more of a caloric burn. That is what actually triggers the reduction of your midsection. I know it sounds odd. Why am I training legs when I want my belly to go down? But your body has to increase its metabolism. It burns more to support those larger muscle groups. Hence, it's pulling from your fat stores. Where do we store a lot of fat? In our midsection. So stop thinking you have to run up and down enough. You have to crunch out hell to get a flat stomach. That's not what reduces the size. That strengthens your core, but it doesn't reduce it. So we're now moving on. 2 exercises and we're supersetting. No rest between the 2 exercises. We're just going straight into it. So the first one we're going to do is a dumbbell swing. Oh yes, love these. Then we're going to take it into a nice, simple rear lunge. Okay, so I'm mixing 2. Nice, simple rear lunge, and we're doing dumbbell swing with it. I'm going to use a 20 pound for my dumbbell swing. Keep the core tight. You're going to keep your legs open. Let me center myself. A slight turnout in the toes. Now, don't be fooled. A dumbbell swing is not using the strength of your shoulder. You're actually using momentum for this one. So, yes, it's 20 pounds, but my shoulder is not holding the weight. I start my swing through and I switch up top, up top. So I'm going to turn sideways so that you can be clear on the movement. I'm going to push the weight through my legs, switch at the top, pushing the weight through. Are we ready? Yes? Grab your dumbbell. Slight turn out with the toes. Wide stance. We're going for 20 reps. Here we go. 1, switch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6. Don't snap out your knees. 7, 8. Always soft knees. 9 when we stand. 10. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We got this. 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm going to put on my 20. Towel my face. And then I'm going to get a pair of 15s. The sweat all tickling my nose. Now, when we're doing lunges, just like we started with the power knee drive, you want to focus on your front knee. Try not to make your front knee go over your toe, okay? So I'm going to stand, feet together, and all I'm going to do is step back into our rear lunge. So I step back, keeping my chest up, tailbone under. I go down and together. I'm keeping it simple. Focus on your form. Don't stick out your butt. Tuck your tailbone under. Ready? We're going for 15 per leg. Yeah, we're going hard this time. Hard with the reps. And 1. Together. 2. Go as low as it's comfortable for you. 3. You don't have to touch the floor. 4. But pull your body weight back. 5. 6. Rear lunge. 7. Stabilize. 8. 9. 10. 5 more. 5. 4. Press through the glutes. 3. and the hamstrings of that right leg. 2, and last one, 1. We're gonna switch legs. Stepping back with the right. Here we go. 1, together. Look forward. 2, don't look down. 3, keep your shoulders back. 4, tailbone under or neutral. 5, stacking my front knee over my ankle. 6, 7, tummy nice and tight. 8, 9, come on. 10, 5 more. Whenever my wrists get tired, 4 more. I tip the weights down sometimes. 3 versus here. 2, because my fingers get tired too. 1. Oh yeah. Oh, those are good. Water break. Hydration is super important. You know, you can't lose and break down fat and expel it efficiently unless you're hydrated. Not sure if I told you this before, but in order for broken down fat molecules to leave your body, it actually has to attach to a water molecule and you pee it out. So if you're dehydrated and eating small amounts, exercising hard, you're still not going to lose weight rapidly. You actually need to be drinking the right amount of water to be able to pee out the broken down fat. If not, your body reabsorbs it. A lot of people didn't know that. For a long time, I didn't know that. Sip your water. So these sessions, we're not only training, I want to change your mind, reset the thought process so you can be more compassionate to yourself, right? It's not just exercise that's going to get us healthier, fitter, well. It's a lifestyle change. Here we go. Round 2, dumbbell swing. Tummy nice and tight, we're going for it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your butt back. 6, tummy tight. 7, 8, only 20. 9, come on. 10, halfway there. Push through your legs. 9 more. 8, 7, 6, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Switch out the weights. Grab your dumbbells. I'm using the 15s, but I'm going to change my hand position. Still a rear lunge, but I'm going to keep my hands up. Working my shoulders. Here we go. Elbows in, tummy tight. So you can keep your hands by your waist if you want. And 1, 2, same leg. 3, chest up. If your balance is off, 4. You can turn your toe in slightly at the front. 5, almost duck-footed. 6, that helps me sometimes. 7, 8, 9, 10, oh yes. 5 more. Y'all keeping me honest. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Rest my shoulders. Other leg. Here we go. Tummy tight and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more to go, come on. Don't quit on me. 5, I know it burns. 4, my shoulders are screaming. 3, 2, and 1. Mercy. Catch your breath. I have one more. Wow. If it doesn't challenge us, it won't change us. Believe me. So much truth in that statement. To get stronger, it doesn't happen by doing easy shit. You have to dig deep. You have to push beyond what you think your limit is. That's how strength is created. You have to fail repeatedly. You have to start over repeatedly. Push yourself beyond what you think your limit is. That is how strength is formed. It's not easy shit, guys. Sorry to tell you. Everybody thinks easy would be nice. Nothing comes from easy. Character isn't built from easy. It's all of the trials and tribulations and failures that we go through that builds us. Builds strength, builds character, builds value. You know your worth because you know what you've put into yourself. That's how you value yourself. Yeah, I've put a lot of work into this body. It's failed many times. I've come back many times. Oh God, I could write a book about the comeback. All right, last round of this one before we move on. Tummy tight, dumbbell swing, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your butt back. 6, through your legs. 7, don't fling the weight. 8, catch it. 9, 10. 10 more. 9 more. 8, come on, push back. 7, 6, the last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here comes the rear lunges. I walk in like I'm drunk. Yeah, cause my legs feeling it. No rest in between. We got this. Let's control the breathing. Now, I gave you one option for the shoulders where we could hold the weight above the shoulders. I'm going to do another hand position, same rear lunge. You choose. Keep your hands by your hips. Keep your hands over your shoulders. Or we can add a bicep curl to it. Same thing, just adding another muscle group. Here we go. Left leg steps back, and I'm going to curl. 1, that's it. 2, so it's optional. 3, 4, 3 different hand movements. 5, or no movement. 6, 7, breathe. 8, 9, 10, 5 to go. 5, oh sweet Lord. 4, why these 15 pounds? 3, feel like they grew. 2, they got heavier. And 1. We have the other leg. If it doesn't challenge us, it won't change us. Yeah. Everybody's like, yeah, Shani, shut up. I want to tell myself, shut up right now too. Here we go. 1, 2, chest up. 3, step back. 4, 5, tummy tight. 6, the whole time. 7, 8, we got this. 9, 10. 5 more. 4 more. 3. 2. Last one. Oh, yeah. Ah, mercy. This is when we want ball cree. Time out. Drink your water. Lower your heart rate. We came to work, guys. We came to work. Two new exercises. I must be crazy. 2 new exercises. Superset them. 3 rounds and we're done. Oh, lateral lunge. So I'm using my trusty 15s. And we're only going 10 per side. So with a lateral lunge, pretend your body's a lever. So one leg stays straight, but my feet stay parallel. My moving leg, the leg I step with, that's the knee that's going to bend, and I'm going to drop my butt towards the floor. So I'm going to step laterally, drive my butt back, step together. So this left leg, I do not bend the knee. I'm hinging from my hip. My right leg is the leg that bends as I push my butt back like I want to sit in a chair. Yes? We're going 10 times. Now you can do it without weights until you're comfortable with the movement. Knees and toes have to point in the same direction. All right, here we go. And 1, together. Push your butt back. 2, 3, 4. My feet stay parallel. 5, my toes point in the same direction. 6, my right knee follows the direction of my toe. 7, 8, don't splay your knee to the side. 9, last one. 10, other side. And 1, drive your butt back, tummy tight. 2, 3, explode from the heel. 4, 5, come on, drive your butt back. 6, we got this. 7, 8, you're right there. 9, 10, excellent work. Just gonna put my weights right there. Still working the outer thighs, your abductors. I'm gonna rest the weight on one leg. I'm gonna soften my standing knee, and I'm just going to lift. The hard part is, try not to keep leaning like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Stand up straight, steady like fence posts. So I just grab the weight and I rest it on my leg. Because my leg is who is lifting the weight, not my hand. Bend your standing leg, tummy nice and tight. Flex that right foot. And 1, 2, we're going for 10. 3, resist that weight. 4, keep your chest up. 5, oh yeah. 6, I feel this. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch sides. Here we go. 1, 2, lifting your chest. 3, flex your toe. 4, let the toe point to me. 5, 6, standing leg burns. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Oh yes. We're working. Sip your water. Remember I told you, staying hydrated is everything. And I'm not a good water drinker. So this is keeping me honest. Let's do this again. Round 2. Lateral lunges. Pick up your weights. Tummy nice and tight. Remember, you're hinging from your hip of your left leg. We're starting on the right. Don't quit on me. Pick up your weights. Let's go. Parallel feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, man. 7. We got this. 8, 9. Drive your butt back. 10. Other side. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. We've sped it up. 3, because you got it. 4, butt back. 5, 6, sit back. 7, 8, keep it lateral. 9, 10. Wow. Lateral leg raise now. Let me towel my face. You know, it's a sign of I am tired. Believe it or not, us trainers get tired too. Grab the weight. Rest it on your hip, on your outer thigh, not your hip. Soften your standing leg and 1, flex the foot. 2, 3, 4. We don't want to rush these. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Oh, that standing leg is going to burn like hell now. 1, 2. You feel the leg grab? 3, fire. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh gosh. 8, 9. I told you. And 10. Wow. We're going to start on the next side for balance out that burn. It's only fair. 1 more round, guys. 1 more round to go. Then we're done. Stretch time. We start on this side. Because, trust me, weights in hand. Lateral lunges, starting on the left first. And 1, together. 2, keep your chest up. 3, bottom down, chest up. 4, feet parallel. 5, tummy tight. 6, push your butt back. 7, knee over ankle. 8, 9, 10. Other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Rest it on the thigh. Bend it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Focus. 6, we're right at the end. 7, 8, 9, 10. The burn. We're right here. You can't quit on the last exercise, you know. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 4, 5, why am I leaning? 6, that was tiredness. 7, fix it. 8, 9, and sweet Jesus. Oh God, we made it. Thank you, Lord. Didn't think I was going to make this one. Each 40 by 40 has gotten increasingly harder. I know, guys. I get it. I'm doing it with you. Tummy tight. Stretch time. Heel to butt. Belly button to spine. Knees side by side. Drive your hip forward. Open up the hip flexor. Feel the stretch in the quad. Cross it. Squat down. Wow. This is a figure 4. Other side. Heel to butt. Push your hips forward. Breathe. Remember, keep your knees side by side. Thrust your hips. Figure 4. My hips are so tight. Squat down. Big breath in. Flat back. Breathe into the hamstrings. Roll up. Sweat is pelting off of me. Open the knees. Just rock side to side. Parallel feet. Grab the back of your ankles. Look through your legs at your own butt. And roll up. We survived, guys. You made it. And what you're going to walk away from today's session, if it doesn't challenge you, it will never change you. Easy is not for us. No, nothing came from easy. Push yourself. So until the next time.